Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Enter Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. Then you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add to your Google account. For example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card, because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.